YouTube, back with Mike Alex. This is another video. This is not DIY. We're not doing that today. What we're doing is we're just giving thanks and praise to the vehicle, the orange box, which put on for the streets. That's a signature car right here. You already know, man. Tiara Grill, custom paint, 28s on Section 8, LS swap. Then we got our boy right here, up and coming, what we call him. Renzel is up next. Renzel for the toe. We putting Renzel together. Y'all already know. Y'all seen them back end videos when me putting in that cylinder head work, whatever. Hopefully we'll be almost done waiting on some parts. And then y'all already know the daily, but it's not the daily right now because the weather was real choppy. The pack, Gretzky, T Grizzly. I had a bunch of names for it. We was in a different bunch of mind frames and all that. So if you don't know about Dodge, you don't know. If you don't got a lack, if you don't know, you don't know. If you don't got a box, if you don't know, you don't know. If you don't got a Solara in the cut, if you don't know, you don't know. And all these cars is exotic and different. You know what I mean? This is not basically to show off. This is just to inspire and to motivate. My flavor is a little bit different from everybody's flavor. Most people may have a Benz, a Bentley, a Benz, or whatever. I got a box, I got an Escalade, I got a Charger, and a Solara. There we go. But other than that, know what I mean? Yo, we just gonna have some fun tonight. And basically, I gotta start up all vehicles. So we're gonna do basically a little quick comparison of each vehicle, excuse me. You know what I mean? And each vehicle sound. So what should we start with first? All right, you know what, guys? Let's take it to the Charger, the 6.2 FA green Charger, as y'all can see right here, right? Looking kind of dirty right now. You already know, sitting with the 392 with the gold package, the Brembos, basically, the tinted windows, and this is basically what it is. So basically, I'm gonna start it up. Basically, I'm gonna show y'all what it sound like. Y'all know what it sound like, but I'm gonna show y'all what it sound like. I'm gonna show y'all under the hood, and that's what's gonna be. So let me pop the hood for y'all real quick. Basically, bow, unlock the door, don't hate. So if you don't know, you do know now. But what I like about this is a natural aspirated 6.4. You dig? So it's a little bit different. I ain't go crazy with the motor and put a supercharger and do all this. Kept it real simple. Or a catch can, which is needed. Basically, little cheap ass covering right here. What the hell is that? And basically just keep it sturdy, keep it clean. You know what I mean? It does what it does. A lot of horsepower, a lot of torque. If you already know what this is for, you could slide with it. You could do whatever you want to do with it. You know what I mean? But yo, this is my this is basically like it was my daily until we got that heavy snowstorm and all this bullshit, whatever. And the Toyota took up the place of being the daily. So right now I'm just gonna start it up because I don't really start this up because it's just in the garage. So damn, I should have left it. Nah, you know what? Let's start it up real quick. And then we gonna jump to the next one. What should be the next car I'll show y'all? The box Chevy or Renzel? So, you know what, guys? Hopefully, it allows me to do the cold start, and I don't gotta go inside. Right, so here we go. Whoa, that didn't sound good. That didn't sound good. And you know why I think it did that? It's because I don't be starting it up too much. So let me try to do it manually and see. Hopefully the battery got enough power. See? See, guys? Okay, well, I know what I gotta do here, guys. Well, guys, the battery is dead on that. I gotta jump it. We're not jumping that tonight. I already know. Because as I said, I really don't drive it like that. It's sitting in here. But I did start it up the other day. So, all right, sorry, I couldn't hear the Dodge Charger, people. I'm sorry. So, I guess, what's the next car? Let's go to the box Chevy. Box Chevy is classic. All right, the box Chevy, man. Going to the box Chevy. Box Chevy's classic, people. Classic, classic, classic. Classic, custom, different. As y'all know, LS Swap 6.0 LQ9, if you don't know. So, all right, boom. Let me just do a quick start for y'all people. Real quick. Cold start. And this one will start up. The Charger, I just haven't started it up in a little while, which that's my fault. So I knew that was gonna happen. This one here, faithfully, I'll start this up. Boom. If you already know about this, the last major upgrade I did was that custom exhaust by Rally Fabrication. And, oh, hold on, let me show y'all the Tiara grill. I love the Tiara grill. It took me a long time to get to this point with the Tiara, people. But y'all see the Tiara. Tiara grill is busting. Busting. Right? So, all right. Now, on to the next one. Renzel for the toe. The undisputed champion. The undisputed champion, Renzel for the toe. You know what I mean? I think Renzel is going to be the best one of the fleet, people. Honestly. Right? I'm going to pop the hood for y'all first. Renzel is a 6.2. Right? Renzel is up next, people. Let me get my light. Renzel is up next, as I said. If y'all ain't know. Here we go. Let me show y'all. Everything basically is damn near brand new, like I just did over our old school. Y'all seen the videos. Y'all seen the work. Y'all seen the passion. Renzel, basically. Just waiting on a few parts, and hopefully what we gonna be doing, Renzel's gonna be on the road like he was intended to be. So Renzel, we put a lot of love. I think we put extra love into Renzel, like a lot of extra passion. Like even if you look down into the valley, look into the valley, people. You see in the valley in here, look in the valley. I put in work and I clean the valley. You dig what I'm saying? I put in that work. You understand what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all something else. LQ9, right? I didn't put in that love and tender care because you see it's a little bit dirty because this was something I was new to, the LS game, and I didn't get a chance to put in the love and tender care like I put in Renzel. I dropped it in, somebody dropped it in for me, not me, and I started working around it, in it. But Renzel, I put in more of that tender love and care, even though I put a lot of work in here, but I really did brain surgery on Renzel. And I didn't do the brain surgery on here. In here, I did a BBL. I didn't do the brain surgery. You understand what I'm saying? So it's like a different feeling from like Renzel to here. You understand what I'm saying? So, okay, I just want to explain that to y'all. But y'all can see the difference of what's going on, like with the motor. Escalade motor, Escalade motor. You heard? All right, so we gonna get Renzel started up for y'all. You know what I mean? Which, you know, and we gonna turn off the box Chevy. Box Chevy off. So Renzel is quiet. I don't think I want Renzel to make. Should I make Renzel make a loud, aggressive sound? Or it should just be low-key quiet? I think I need a low-key quiet vehicle. Like, you know, everything is like, you know what I mean? So Renzel is quiet and low-key. You know what I'm saying? Low-key. And what's different about Renzel than the rest of these cars? Renzel, we got the 13.6 Tezzy screen in it. The Android joint, right? Yeah, we got the Tezzy screen in here, the 13 point, I think it's 13.7, whatever, right? You hear how Renzel sound? Quiet, calm, cool, how it's supposed to sound. You dig what I'm saying? And that's how we got it, you know what I mean? As I can show y'all real quick, nothing to show off, nothing to hide from God, you know what I mean? The Android screen, which I love that. I love it. When I'm in here, I love it. Hold on. And I got the peanut butter guts. Peanut butter guts hit different, people. Peanut butter guts do hit different. Yeah. But yeah, this is Renzel. Y'all already know, man. Look at that back end video for Renzel. You know what I mean? So this is what I got going on, people, right now. Hold on, let me pop the hood. Once again, even though the Charger made me look bad tonight, man. It made me look real bad tonight. I mean, I could jump it real quick for y'all. You know what I mean? But I don't know what I gotta get, people. I gotta get a jump pack. That's one thing. I don't know why I don't have a jump pack, but I gotta get a jump pack. I gotta get a jump pack. All right, guys. Which one you taking? Which one you taking? Which one you taking? Huh? The Charger, the Escalade, or the box? If you had the choice to take one of them, which one you taking? You heard? Alright, but other than that, man, I just wanted to show y'all basically what's going on. We got T Grizzly, aka Wayne Gretzky, the pack. Then we got Mr. Renzel, that's up next. And we got the famous, the orange box, aka GTA box Chevy. Y'all know when I get into GTA box Chevy, you know what time it is, right? We be on that highway bully-ish. You heard? So y'all already know, man. And that's what we got. I'm not going to include the Solara because Solara is a backup. You know what I mean? Y'all don't need to compare that, but y'all already know, man. So this is what we working with for 2026, man. I think we got better, more to come. Support the channel. Life of Mike LS. Look at my back end videos, people. We got motion, we got motion, we got motion. And thank you for watching. Hopefully I motivate y'all and I inspire y'all to do what's next, because I want to tell y'all one more thing. What? Renzel is up next. So look at them videos. Hopefully they inspire you. And let's keep this going for 2026. Life of Mike LS.